Hi, Bis Prince. Welcome to House Your Heart. And we're going to talk about true love. What's the meaning of true love? I believe na meron namang true love. Kasi sabi nga nila, kung may hate, may love. Kung may good, may evil. Kung may heaven, may hell. Right? There's always an opposite. So when you believe or you feel like you have a lot of hate in yourself or hate to someone, it means if kaya mo mag-hate, I think kaya mo din mag-love. So let's talk about hate first. Kasi start sa opposite. Hate is very wide, general, broad, because you can hate a person, a thing, a place, an experience. Pero how about love? Pasensya na kayo whisper na kasi I didn't, hindi ko kasi inayos yung thoughts ko. This is like random kung ano yung maisip ko. Hindi ako naganda. How about love? For me, love is also general. You can love a thing again, a person, an experience. So it's the same. Opposite lang yung naramdaman mo dun sa hate, love. Pero about true love, kasi magkaiba ang love sa true love. How can you say if it's true? I'll share you my experience para ma-realize ninyo, ang true love. When I was young, lagi tayo na sa when I was young. Kasi we always go back to our childhood, our experiences. And right now, I'm already 35. So, gusto kong bumalik. Gusto kong bumalik sa aking past. Para, when you go back to your past, kasi you can compare na, and you can share your experiences kasi past memory mo na lang siya. So, yung experience ko when I was young, my parents, naghiwalay sila. I was just 12 years old. And then, it was not a good childhood for me kasi I've been in an environment na laging may nag-aaway sa bahay. So, I always lock up sa door. And I didn't find the true love there that time. Kasi that time, I was always locking sa door, nagsusulat. Actually, sinusulatan ko si Lord. Sabi ko, Lord, hanggang kailan ito tapos? Ganito ba yung mangyayari sa buong buhay ko? That time, Bisprin, bata pa ako. May nanligaw sa akin sa school, which I don't understand kasi parang ako, I'm so young, why are you courting me? I don't even understand about that. Kasi nasa ano pa ako Kiat stage. Kiat stage like we were playing Police Kawatan. Police Kawatan is Cops and Robbers. Naglalaro kami ng nilalaro namin badminton, ping pong, also volleyball. Dami kami nilalaro kasi we were naglalaro talaga ng sports with my friends, my classmates. Nagbabike pa ako. Cycling, running, kung ano-ano nilalaro ko. So, I have a lot of physical activities. And I have a schoolmate na nanligaw sa akin. Sinagot ko kasi I thought that was true love. Kasi I don't even love him. I don't even like him. But the thought na may gusto siya sa akin, I'm like, okay, para maka-receive lang ako ng I love you. So parang, it was longing for love even though you know it's not love. Kasi I'm not even attracted to that person. Kaya hindi nag-last. It was like months lang. And I don't consider him as my boyfriend and my first boyfriend because it was like, huh? Parang love letter, telebabad, ganyan. Tapos text, ano pa, piso text ata dati, 5 peso text. Basta mahal mag-text dati. Eh, ano pa kami noon, 3210. So, yun, hindi hindi pa ako hindi ko nakita yung love doon. And then I had a first boyfriend. Looking back right now, well, I consider him naman na love ko siya that time. Pero eventually, hindi nag-last kasi gusto niya mag-stay sa Manila and then hindi na siya mag-aaral. Kasi gusto ng mom niya, mag-aral siya kung saan siya galing, which is Ateneo Davao. At doon din ako. Pero pinili ko kasi ituloy dito yung buhay ko sa Manila, sa De La Salle College of St. Benilde, while doing TV commercials. Kasi, hindi tayo bumabata. So, pag model ka, you have to sabay sa edad ng teens. Gusto niya ako samahan. Problema, hindi naman siya susuportahan ng mom niya. So, paano yung financial niya and yung education niya? Gusto niya i-give up just for love. I really felt the love that he gave. I know he loved me. I am 101% sure. However, I also love him, but I don't want to ruin his life because he will give up his career, his education, his future just to be with me. And I know eventually maybe he will hate me if he will stop going to school. I don't want that. And parang baka mamaya yung pag tumanda kayo, alam mo yun, ikaw yung umangat, hindi siya umangat. Parang sakit-sakit. So, parang, alam mo yung ginawa ko, na-realize ko true love yun, pero pinili ko yun para sa amin, para sa kanya. And then eventually, sinabi ko na if mag-cross yung paths natin, if tapos ka na mag-school, ganyan, malay natin, di ba? We don't really know. However, syempre, nag-change kasi I met someone else. And he also met someone else sa school nila. So, true love ba yun? Kaya ngayon yung weird kasi nung moment na yun, that was true love. Pero it didn't last. Because there's a decision. And then now you met someone else. And then you're thinking if it's true love again. Kung nakita mo yung podcast namin ni Alec Cuenca, we talked about 3 loves theory. So I think that was my first love. And this second love, I can say it was really intense. To be honest, I didn't love him at the first place. I'm not even attracted to him. Uh, I ha- I remember meron akong gustong guy. Oh my God, lobat na. And we're back. I apologize, Miss Prin. This is a different camera, so this is a different lighting. By the way, going back, nag-usap kami ni Alec Cuenca and then we were talking about three loves theory. And I believe na first love ko yung ex ko, yung first ko. Then, the second one was intense. Kasi, ang dami nangyari sa amin doon. Kung alam niyo lang, best friend, ano siya, I thought he was my forever. I even asked to marry him. Ako pa nagtanong, no? Ikaw, magpakasal na tayo. Ganun. And then, ah, wala akong iniisip nun eh. I was so young. I was 20 years old. Almost 2 years lang naman kami. 1 year. 1 year and 9 months. I was 20. Parang yung relationship was, basta masaya kami ngayon. Ganun. Tapos, kapag nag-aaway-away na naman, tapos masaya na naman kami. Ganun lang. Tapos, ayaw ko siya iwan. Ayaw na rin ako iwan. Pero nag-aaway pa rin kami. Basta ang labo. And yung away namin was intense. I, hindi, ayoko na ikwento sa inyo yung iba kasi it's so personal. But, yung away namin, masabi mo talaga, huy, maghiwalay na nga kayo. Ganun siya. But, hindi ko siya pinagsisihan. Ang tanong ko nga sa sarili ko ngayon, kung true love ko siya nung time na yun. Nung time na yun, oo. Kasi, kapag magmahal kasi ako, loyal ako eh. Tsaka binibigay ko lahat. Siguro kasi Capricorn ako. Ang Capricorn kasi, if you believe in zodiac signs, Capricorn will do everything for your love. You're so loyal. Kasi hindi kami na-in love agad. Mayroon pa ako ma-in love. Hindi ko nga siya type nung time na yun eh. Nung time na yun, ang kulit-kulit niya. Tapos, hindi niya ako tinatantanan. Pati yung mga kaibigan ko, nilalapitan na niya para lang makaano siya sa akin. Kasi hindi ko siya pinapansin. Hindi ko siya bet. Well, he's handsome. Gwapo siya. Actually, siya nga yung pinakagwapo kong ex eh. Pero kasi, hindi lang kami nag-match after. Kasi, nagkaroon na talaga kami ng time na super toxic na to the point, pinapabayaan ko na sarili ko. At pinapabayaan din niya sarili niya. And, kaya nga 1 year, 9 months lang, di ba? Pero yung 1 year, 9 months, feel ko, 3 years siya. Kami naming pinagdaanan. And before Bisprin, hindi ako nagluluto. Siya nagluluto para sa amin. Ganyan. Kaya parang, hindi nilutuan niya ako. Pero kasi, pag isipin ko yung true love sa kanya, nung time na yung true love ko siya, ay, yung aso ko. Nung time na yun, masabi ko true love ko siya. Kasi, yun nga, hindi ako na-in love agad eh. Time na yun, may iba pa nga akong gusto. As in, crush na crush ko siya. Pero napansin mo, di ba, yung mga gusto ninyo, ayaw sa inyo. Tapos yung may mga gusto sa inyo, hindi nyo type. Ako yun. Lahat ng gusto ko ayaw sa akin. Tapos yung mga gusto sa akin, parang, oh my gosh, I don't like them. Kaya, wala, ang tagal naging kami kasi ang kulit niya. Pero yun nga, nung binigyan ko siya ng chance, na-realize ko, ay okay naman pala siya. Pero eventually, hindi rin kami nag-click. Yung next kong love, mahirap din kasi yun naman long term kasi yun eh. So, marami din nangyari at hindi ko napansin na ang tagal na pala namin. Siguro kasi hindi kami nagbibilang ng years. Pero, people change. Kasi sabi nga nila, pag tumatagal na yung relationship nila, nag-iiba na daw yung tao based sa experience, based sa environment. And minsan pa, may nakikita ka pa rin palang na hindi mo alam kasi sa ilang years na yun, meron pa palang may makikilala ka pang ibang tao doon or personality. Kaya, masabi ko ba true love yun? Siguro kasi sabi nga nila kung hindi ka nasaktan sobra, hindi mo na mahal yung tao. Pero kung sobrang sakit sa'yo, sobrang sama nung naramdaman mo, ibig sabihin minahal mo siya. Kasi, ang sakit nung ginawa eh. So, mas malalaman mo na minahal ko yung tao. 'Di ba? So, isipin natin, best friend, hindi siya isa lang yung love, no? Yung true love. Kasi pag isipin mo yung iba, true love, ito na yung true love ko, ito na yung forever ko. Pero kasi ang forever, it's a decision. Kung mag-stick ka sa isang person, if you're gonna decide to stay with that person for the rest of your life. So, it's also possible to have one love lang, one true love. And that's proven and tested to a lot of people na kung sino yung boyfriend nila, yung naging asawa nila at kasama nila hanggang lolo't lola na sila. And isa yun ang lolo ko. Lolo't lola ko and my grandma and grandma. So, both sides. And also, I have aunties until now, forever pa rin sila. So, it's really a decision. But, you can have a lot of true love. Kasi, at that moment, you decided to love that person. And, ikaw din ang makakasabi kung true yun. Kasi, kung panakit butas mo lang yun, alam mo din yun. 'Di ba? Alam mo yun sa loob-loob mo, sa in your heart. And you don't find true love also sa relationship nyo lang. You also find true love sa parents mo, sa grandparents mo, sa siblings mo, sa mga kapatid mo. And minsan sa mga hindi nyo kadugo, sa kaibigan. So it really depends kung paano ka nabuhay. May iba kasi like ako, lumaki din ako sa mga yaya, sa helpers namin. Kasi nga, laging nasa work yung parents ko. So, I definitely can say na I find true love din sa mga helpers namin, si Ate Bibi, tsaka si Manang Nursing. And I also think na I found true love sa mga kapatid ko kasi kahit nag-aaway kami, I know they're my true love. Saying it through when nag-away kayo, tapos kahit anong away nyo, napapatawad mo at masasabi mong mahal mo pa rin siya. Mahal mo pa rin siya. That's true love. But also finding true love is also letting go. Letting go kasi you love that person and you want them to be happy or to have a good life. I also find true love in your passion. Passion meaning, what do you do? What do you love to do? Ako, I really love to do being in front of the camera. thinking of contents, what to share and what not to share, what to say to inspire, to motivate, to entertain. I find true love sa dog ko, si Matilda, because that dog is also unconditional love talaga ang mga aso. And I really try my best. I really try my best na to give time and love kasi you can feel that dog loves you so much. I also find love to my parents, true love, because I admit, nag-aaway din kami ng mom and dad ko. Especially when I was young. Kasi, hindi kasi madali kapag galing ka sa hiwalay na parents, di ba? So, when your parents are hiwalay, nagkaroon din ako ng hatred. But, eventually, that hate will go away. Kasi you will learn to forgive. And, I can say na true love ko sila. I also believe that I will still have another true love, not now, but I'm praying to God kasi I know God is also true love. Kasi siya na lang, si God talaga ang unconditional love. And if it's written in this, if it's written in my path sa Kanya na may kasama ako, then sa life ko, then I'll be thankful for that. However, if it's not also given, then I'm still thankful because I have true love in my sa parents ko, sa family ko, sa siblings, sa friends. I'm not really sure sa friends because I don't have friends anymore. I have friends, yeah. I still have friends. Yeah, I have friends. Nabawasan lang. At least I realized na may naiwan akong true love sa friends din. And I'm still open naman to new friends. Yun lang, medyo ako yung guarded. I'm guarded. Kasi it's not easy if nasaktan ka dati. So, just have a wall and, boundaries. Don't be afraid to love. Kasi, alam ko naman you're not afraid to hate nga eh. Di ba? So, why not love? Kasi, love is a good feeling. It's a positive feeling. And I believe na the more you love, the more you give, the more you receive. So open your hearts, Bisprin. Kumanta na. Open your hearts to... Anyway, that was, ano yun na love? Ano to na topic? Kung ano-ano lang naisip ko. Hindi ako nakaayos. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to like and share it. If you have suggestions, you can let me know. And if you find true love, you can also share your story. Thank you.